Yo, what's up guys? So today we're going to be dropping the Corolla down and we're going to throw some coilovers on it. The coilovers that we picked up, we got them off eBay. They're the cheap $300 Maxspeedingrods. The budget car is not in excellent condition, so we're not going to throw some bougie coils on it. So this is what we're going with. They're I think 24 dampening, 12 dampening. I don't know, I'll let you know in the description later on, but they're yellow. They look cool in gold. Yeah, so $300 eBay coils. I guess, dude, they're better than the stock suspension that's on it right now. It literally sways like a boat. I feel like I'm driving in the ocean, but we're gonna throw these on, try to drop the car down a little. We'll ride on them as a daily driver. I mean, they're coils, so they're not gonna be that smooth. They're gonna be pretty rough. The quality doesn't look too bad, so we're just gonna run them. We'll check them once in a while just to make sure everything fits up still nice. But we're gonna throw them on the car today, try to drop it down a little bit and see how it goes. I don't know what else to tell you about them. 24 dampening, those are the ones I got. I know online there's like red ones. I don't know if those ones adjust or not, and there's another set of yellow ones, but I think it's literally like $10 or $15 difference just to get the adjustable dampening one. So if you want, make sure before you buy them which ones you actually get. But I think there's green ones too, but they're all pretty much the same thing. Either they're like renamed or rebranded, but they're pretty much the same thing. So we're just gonna throw them on the daily driver, see how they go, and hopefully it's not hard to put on. I have another coil video on the Subi. It's either gonna be somewhere up here, I'll throw a link up there. Pretty much the same exact thing. It might be a little bit easier since we're only dealing with one drivetrain, but let's get this video started. Whoa, zoomed out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back seats since it's still early in the morning. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm probably not gonna show you how to take the seats out because it's pretty much a pain. If you go to my speaker video, you can see how much I struggled, but if you want to really see how to take them out, you can just go to that video, check them out. Pretty much simple. You just gotta, it's like 4 pieces like this, slides out, the other one slides out, these drop down, and we might have to go like on the back dash or whatever that crap's called and lift it up to get to the bolts, but I honestly don't remember, but we'll do it right now. Alright guys, so I pretty much lied. It's pretty easy. Literally just drop down the seat and you slide this side part of the seat, which is over there's right there, and literally exposes the bolts right there. So you really don't have to take anything out. It's literally just the seat and the 3 bolts. I mean, it seems simple at first, but you know, car stuff, it always goes wrong with something, a bolt being rusted or not threaded right or some just alignment crap, but let's get to it. Alright guys, so I didn't really mention this in the first video when I talked about the bottle caps. The bore size is actually like a little bit bigger than the actual Corolla's one. So like trying to fit it up, it doesn't align pretty well center, but I ended up getting these hub-centric rings off of Amazon. They're like 10 bucks, but I'll let you, oh wait, the size is actually on this. So it's 57.1 to 54.1. That's what I ended up looking up, like the sizes online, but yeah, that's helped center it. And then I went with like these concavanal, I think that's what it's called, whatever, but they're like extended lug nuts, if you can see right there. Since aluminum rims are kind of thicker than the steelies that it comes on, you lose a lot of that bite to the bolt. So these actually go through, like they sit flush right there, which helps center it as well, but it goes through and gets more bite on the actual thread bolt because they're pretty small. So for the coilover, I pretty much probably like a 3-inch gap on the right side because I didn't really measure the distance before I jacked it up and everything, but I pretty much set this about 3 inches lower. So we'll just go off adjustments from there just so we don't have to spin this all the way down. I didn't know the actual top mount actually, like, it actually pivots. Like, I've never had a coil that pivots straight out like that, because it was getting a hard time getting one of the bolts to line up because this wouldn't pull out. So I ended up pushing this down and that thing actually pivoted so I could actually get it in place. I'm not gonna be able to put this like cover cap back on because this little dampening thing's too tall, but that's fine. It'll be like quick access if we want to actually dampen it, which is pretty cool. These little sides just slide off, so if I do want to change the dampening, it'd be pretty easy. Alright everybody, so we got the coils on the Corolla. It's pretty low, the front end's kind of lower than I want, but I'll probably lift it up some other time because it's too hot out right now. I've been out here for pretty much all day and I haven't ate, so I'm gonna finish this video here. It's pretty low. I have some pictures of it. I don't know if you can tell how it looks, but it looks lower than before. I like it. It doesn't sway like a boat no more, but it bounces like a little bunny now, but it should be okay. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching again. As always, like, subscribe, throw some comments if you want any info or have any info for me, guys. Thanks again and see you in the next one.